Open the door. Come out. Officer, this is the criminal that has been owing me house rent for the past 2 years. 24 good months. So that's why I brought you here to arrest her.
Landlord, I thought we had an agreement.
Don't landlord me anywhere. Don't landlord me. I'll give you enough time. Oh, Lucy. Arrest her. Do your job.
Madam, please remain silent. Whatever you say or do may be used against you in the court of law. Now move. Don't allow me to use force on you.
Madam, follow him.
Let me just
Move, madam.
Madam, please move.
I'm not allowed to do your job. No. Go.
I'm not even feeling.
Officer,
Madam, please move.
Officer, move.
Do not make me force you. Move.
Please, go. Take her away. Do your job, officer. Go now. Step up, idiot. No nonsense. We only need house rent for the past 2 years. For what? Woman! You mean you have no one to call to come bail you out? I'm speaking to you. Family? Husband? Boyfriend? Or even a friend? You mean you have no friends at all? Stop crying this crocodile tears and speak to me. Listen. If no one comes to bail you out, you will die here. I repeat, you will die here. Rubbish. Nonsense in my own house. Now listen to me. Listen to me and listen good. If I see you in this my compound again, I will kill you. Chinelo, I say I will kill you. Before Oluwa, I promise I will kill you, Chinelo. You can imagine, you're owing me 24 months house rent in my own house. 24 months, 2 years. Pay me in cash, no. Pay me in kind, no. And you want me to retain you in my own house, that your father built for me. Your father built the house for me. Idiot.
Just one box.
Now take her away from this compound. I don't want to see you here again. Take her away. Idiot. Nonsense. Idiot. Need come. Scallywag. In my own compound. The house I built with my own money. You are owing me house rent for 24 months. Idiot. Let me see her here again. Come back here. You are owing me house rent, right?
No, sir. I've paid.
When last did you pay my house rent?
I was the one that transferred money last week for you.
And what's her name again?
Shegu Osibanjo.
Osibanjo?
Yes, sir.
But I've been hearing stories about you. You're always dirty this compound.
No, landlord, let me just sweep here.
Your cup will soon be full. Eh? Your cup will soon be full. All of you in this compound. I'm ready for all of you.
Carry the water from this house. I don't even drink the Answer me now. Eh?
Where are you going? I know you don't have a place to stay. Eh? Please, come and stay with me in my house. I can as well buy you drugs for your cough. Please. Eh? Just come. Let's go. Why are you doing this to yourself? Don't allow your pride to deprive you of your comfort. Please. Can we go now?
Thank you.
Chi? Chi? I know you know where to find me. In case you change your mind.
Oh my God. When did she become like this? My goodness.
Mommy's fine. Mommy's alright.
Okay. Mommy, when is Daddy coming back?
Maybe tomorrow. You miss him, right? Don't worry. Daddy misses his little angel too. I'm sure he'll be back pretty soon, okay?
Okay. Okay, Mommy. So, can I go and check out now?
Not tonight. It's late. You need to sleep. Okay? Let me take you to your room.
Please, I am begging you now. Just hold on. You can't just leave. Eh? Just give me this thing. If you give me this thing, I will give you my own. Eh? See, you can't do yourself. You're a woman. It is someone like me, Sebu, that will do to you. Just give me this thing. Because, see, I understand how you feel. Just give it to me. Then let me just do. Okay, if I do this one, I'm going to do again. Then throughout this year, you'll be in my house. Nobody will even ask you to leave. That Lord will not come. I will just kill him. You can't just go with this thing now.
If that is the only help you have to render, then keep your help to yourself.
Eh? Hey, you can't just go with this thing. Just keep. Hey, just look at the structure. Just give me this thing. Let me just. You like me. Eh? These people, I don't know why. Just to share something you can just share with your neighbor. You cannot just be stingy all the rest of your life. Since you started living in this, I have not seen a man that came to this place to look for you. Eh? Why? It's very bad, I beg.
Yes. You said you have found Chinelo.
Yes. Take a look.
Why is she like that?
I don't know. That's why I called you. I want to go get her. Now that I know where she is, I want to bring her so she can come stay here. And please, you will just stay with Ella until I return at the end of the day.
Grace, you mean you want to bring Chinelo into your matrimonial home?
Is there anything wrong with it?
Well, I don't think it's a good idea. Yes. Have you discussed with Kevin, your husband?
Don't worry about Kelvin, I can handle him. Although I called him on phone, he said he was going to call me back.
Okay, it's alright. So, where is Ella?
So, you have heard everything I said.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure you're a good girl. I'll buy you goodies when I'm returning, okay?
Sweetie. Wish mommy safe journey.
Mom, safe journey.
Thank you, darling.
Take care.
I will.
Love you, mommy.
I love you too.
I love you.
By His grace, it shall be well. By the grace of Almighty God. Because Chinelo Lumane, if I'm Labalaba, you get back a little wema, Nenoa. Because Chinelo Lumane, if I'm Labalaba, you get back a little wema.
I'm looking for is light in complexion. Just shapely with a very pretty face. I don't know how.
I've never seen anyone like that.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Where's your money? Where is your money now? Please get out, get out, get out, get out, get out now, so you don't have money, you want to buy something. Get out, you don't sell on credit. You want something like you don't have money. Please get out, you're still there, just get out, 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 get out. You come and buy something and you don't have money.
let me return to the building and wait for death to come claim my soul.
Wait, I beg you. Don't run. Come. It's Grace. It's Grace, Nello. Grace, okay.
Please go. I don't want you to see me like this.
Look at me. You cannot be ashamed in my presence. You can't. I'm still your bestie. Huh? Please. Please.
Thank you for coming. I was hoping that I was going to see you before I die. You still look beautiful.
You look beautiful too. Just that you're a bit unkempt. First thing is, I need to get you out of here. Clean you up, give you food, and get you medical attention.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. Get well first, then you can thank me.
Prayer is a special medium, a divine frequency by which Christians communicate with God. It is also a very powerful weapon of spiritual warfare.
Yeah, how are you?
Welcome here.
Yeah, Anita, how are you?
Fine.
Where's the mommy?
Mom said she was traveling, but I don't know where she went to, so she asked Auntie Anita to stay with them today.
Anita? Do you know where she went to?
It's not really what happened.
It's okay. Don't try to cover up for her, okay? I'll find out myself. But does she tell you where she was going to? Cool. I'll find out myself.
This is my home. You're welcome. This is beautiful. Oh, don't worry.
Good to see you. Thank you. You're welcome. What happened? Wow. Despite everything, you still have this your beautiful natural eyelashes. It's okay. Yes. It's okay. Welcome. This is really beautiful. Easy. Sorry.
Hi.
Welcome.
Darling, how are you?
Daddy, do you know that Mommy brought her friend today? She's very, very, very beautiful. But she's very sick.
Really?
Yes.
You talk too much. Why don't you allow your daddy to rest? Before you start gossiping.
Honey, how's your trip?
Oh, fine. Just that I missed you guys.
Oh, missed you more, but thank God you're back here now with us. So why don't you go and freshen up while I fix something for us to eat?
What about Anita? Is she gone?
I'm sorry, I couldn't wait for you to return.
Okay. So why don't you just go up and see your friend?
Oh, yes. Shh, that's okay. Alright, sit down. Let your daddy be. It's okay. Let's go.
And a sick one at that.
I'm sorry, honey. It's just that lady is a very good friend of mine and she needed my help more than anything.
Yes, I can see how you look at her. But the truth is, I don't know the history you have with that lady. And one thing I'm sure of is that you care about her. So fine, good. She can stay. After all, the house is big enough. But I don't want you to regret the future.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So we have to call Dr. James to come and check what is really wrong with her.
Immediately, I'll call him right away. Thank you so much.
The car keys, please.
So, this is my husband, Kelvin.
Oh, it's nice. I'm sorry, sir. It's nice meeting you, sir.
You're welcome to my house.
And this is Chinelo, my best friend and companion back in school days. Like, she's one person I cannot do without. I am seriously indebted to her. So I just brought her so she can say hello to you officially before we go eat. Food is ready, so shall we?
Oh, once again, you're welcome to my house.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Shall we?
Are you okay? Oh, yes, I'm fine. I think I just need some water.
Okay.
Thank you, God, for everything. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. So, tell me, so what is that story that made her to become like this?
It's a long story, honey.
Well, the night is still young, so go ahead, I'm ready.
Don't worry, of course I'm going to tell you. Before I forget, I called Dr. James and he said he's going to come see her tomorrow morning.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Alright. Yeah, where's that coming?
Chinelo has a place in my heart that can't be replaced.
Oh, nice.
I came to check on you if you'll need anything before I retire for the night.
I don't need anything. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything, Grace. This means a lot to me.
It's okay. You need to sleep now. Should I off the light?
No, I'm fine.
Alright. Good night. Lie down. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How was your night?
Very well.
Oh, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How was your night?
Fine, sir.
Easy.
Grace, you heard what I told you.
Oh, yes. I'll do... sorry. Let me see. Okay. Honey?
Yeah.
Grace, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I'm alright. How are you? How's your health?
The drugs you sent last week was very, very effective. As I'm talking to you now, I'm very, very strong. How is my in-law, Kelvin, and my granddaughter, Ella?
They're fine. They're not here with me. Kelvin went to work and Ella is in school. Mama, I found Chinelo.
What? Seriously? How is she?
She's not fine. She's not fine. So I brought her to come and stay here with us for a while.
Let me speak to her.
The family doctor just left. She's on drip, so she's actually asleep.
She's sick.
Pneumonia, but she'll be fine.
When she wakes up, I'll let you speak to her.
Alright, Mama, no problem. She'll be here. Take care of it. Bye.
What are you still doing here? Hold on. Close your mouth. What are you still doing at home? Eh? Go and collect the money I asked you to collect from Ojuku now. Or do you want him to owe me all his life? Please go and collect my money.
Mom, it's early. It's early. I will go by 2 p.m. By then, Ojuku will be back from the market.
Mama, what are you saying? Why not meet him in the market, collect the money, and buy the things I asked you to buy? Simple as that.
No, I'll go later.
Don't ask me for food because she's home. My neighbor.
I'm so happy they found Chinelo.
Hey.
I'm sorry I woke you up.
It's okay, Grace. And I think I've been sleeping for too long myself.
You've been asleep for 4 hours. Are you hungry so I can make something for you to eat before I go pick Ella from school?
Grace.
Sorry.
It's okay. You can go and pick up Ella when you come back.
Easy. Sorry.
We'll eat together when you come back.
Alright. So just rest. I'll be back. I won't take long, okay? Bye-bye.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you going?
I am going to Ochukwu's shop to collect the money he's owing my mother.
Okay. Am I working?
Okay.
Look at you. See, obviously, Ojukwu is not back from Onitsha yet. That's why we didn't meet him.
Yes, I know. I told Mama, but she insisted I must come.
So what now? Let's go to my house, waste a little time, and then come back and check in.
I would love to. But you know Mama will be expecting me since she knows where I went to.
You are right. But you come and see me tomorrow.
Yes.
You know I've missed you.
Look
at you. Let's go.
I don't know. You know what? You'll just stay here. Okay, go to your room. Don't go to your room. I set your food at the dining. Go and eat, I'll join you. Go.
I think she needs you. You should go to her. I'll be fine.
Don't worry, she'll be fine without me. All she needs is her lunch, and it's already there. Before she's done, I'll join her. Okay? Sorry. No, should I get you more water?
Oh my God. That's it. Where is Grace? Did she travel?
Oh, no, I guess she should be upstairs.
Okay. Yeah.
Ah, honey.
Hey, dog.
Andrew, welcome.
Yeah, hi. How you doing?
Very well, thank you.
My friend will never cease to spoil you. Look at you.
That's one thing about him, you know, he takes care of me really well.
I know.
Yeah, I haven't been seeing you around for a while. I hope everything is alright.
No, not at all. It's just that I've been kind of busy, right? Yeah. You know, company work is just choking me.
I see. Honey. Welcome.
So what about Chinelo? How is she?
Sleeping. Dr. James was here.
Chinelo? Who is Chinelo? You have a new house help?
Oh, no. My friend, she'll be with us for a while.
Oh, really?
Yes. Alright. Why don't I go and fix something for both of you?
Well, you don't have to worry so about that because we'll soon be going out, right? Yeah. Maybe some other time, yeah.
If you say so. Okay, I'll be upstairs.
Alright, what about Ella?
She should be in her room.
Watch out.
Okay.
So that's all you're missing. Just a married man whenever I come.
Relax. I
was
already. Call it. My name is Misha.
You're missing.
I also enjoy it, don't trust me.
Yeah?
Why are you not there? Your mom is cool.
Daddy, since I came back from school, Mommy has not played with me or even helped me do my homework. She has been with her auntie since.
So where's your mommy now?
She's in her room.
In that room? In that auntie's room? And she left you? Not even playing with you? Okay, don't worry. Come, let me play with you.
Let us ride. Ride like this. Look at you. Don't the body come. Okay. You're not the baby, you're not.
No. I ate it general.
You ate with chili. Since when did we start doing things differently in this house? Since when?
She said she was hungry. It was getting late. You didn't come back, so I decided to join her in eating.
You decided to join her in eating? You decided to join her in eating? Since when? I mean, this should not repeat itself again in this house. Okay?
But in this house, it shouldn't repeat itself again. We don't do things differently. I can say that this so-called children, whatever you call her, this so-called friend that you have, she's a center of attraction to you now. She's all you care about in this house. Nothing more.
Honey, nothing has changed. We still do things together. You need to remember that she's my friend, our guest. So I don't see anything wrong in eating with her.
You don't see anything wrong. This shouldn't repeat itself again. Don't let it repeat itself again.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Have a good dream.
No. So that was so you did it.
Grace, can I see you?
He doesn't look happy. You should go to him.
Alright. I'll be right back. Okay, let me find out what it is.
Easy.
She complained she was lonely, so I was keeping her company.
She complained she's lonely. She decided to stay there and keep her company. Chris, have you forgotten you're a married woman? Have you forgotten you're a married woman and you have a husband in the house? Do you even know where your daughter Ella is right now? Huh?
I know all these things you're saying, but I was just keeping her company. I'm here now. I'm always here.
Chris, all I'm saying is that you should understand when to cut the line of the relationship you have with her. You need things to do in the house. Your husband and your daughter Ella. You should know they're your responsibility as long as you're in this house.
My wife did that.
Can that be like personal?
You know, all these cars, everybody found their wife and their girlfriend.
Then on to the next.
Who did this one now?
See
the video.
The man of the hour.
Right there, the video likes Steven too.
Yeah.
It's true, I like it.
On to the next, on to the next. Where's this? Yes, Mama. Informer. What are you doing here?
Is he the girlfriend you told me you're going to see this morning?
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. That walk on Weba. See, when in the afternoon, I had that. I saying good afternoon. Why are you greeting me? What is good about the afternoon? You have vowed to ruin my little girl's life. I saying good afternoon. That's what I know you have afternoon.
Mama, please now. Don't speak to him like that. Besides, I'm old enough to know who.
Get it back where walk on Weba. If I must get it back walk on. You are old enough. They're not gonna be old enough. You are old enough. If you are old enough, then go and fetch money. You are here, mess with this darling. You are old enough. Nonsense. It is said that the wrinkled face of a tortoise is not the product of his old age. Ifeoma, don't fool yourself. Don't fool yourself. Just because you have these two things on your chest, you think you are old enough to take decision for yourself. Okay? Ifeoma, take my advice. Leave boys alone. Forget them. Focus on your career. Be successful like your own sister. Then you can start thinking of boys, men, whatever nonsense.
Mama, I know I need to make my results. But believe me, Ekene is never my problem. He is not, believe me. Besides, I love him.
Ifeoma, what did I hear you say? You love him? Eh, Ifeoma? You love him, Ifeoma? What do you know about love? Tell me what you know about love. I'm wondering the kind of lies that boy has been feeding you with. Get do their son out of okay, Ifeoma. You want to do che? Use your sense. No.
Hi, Chinelo. How is she doing? She's alright. She's asleep. And looking at her, she needs all the sleep in the world. Okay. I met your husband today. And he complained bitterly about you. What did he say I did this time? Chris, he complained that you devote more time to Chinelo than you do in performing your duties as a wife to him and to your daughter Ella. I don't understand. I prepare food for the family at the right time. I haven't denied him sex, neither have I failed in taking care of Ella. So, where exactly, or what exactly did he say I'm not doing right? Yes, that is the problem. Calvin has refused to see reasons with me. He has refused to know why I am what I am now. He has refused to understand my story with Chinelo. That I agree with you. I even tried talking to him, but he wouldn't listen. That's it. He has refused. He has rather chosen to hate me. But I must tell you, nothing will make me give up on Chinelo. Nothing. Grace, if you ask me, I would say you should think about your family more than you think about Chinelo. Never. If you are trying to sell the idea you sold to me, years back, then forget it.
Grace, I never said you should forget about her. Think about your family. They are your utmost priority and not her. Grace, come on.
Anita, please. I don't want to have this conversation with you again.
Grace. Grace.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chinedu. How are you this morning?
I'm fine. Better.
Good.
All thanks to you and your wife.
Oh, that's okay. It's all right. I'm happy you're better now. You know, my wife has been very, very worried about you.
Oh. Yeah. And speaking of Grace, I haven't seen her this morning. Where is she?
She's in the kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah, still this door. The next door by your left, then straight down.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Chinedu.
Sir?
The name is Kelly.
Okay, sir.
Kelly.
Yes,
Kelly.
Kelvin.
Oh, hello, beautiful. My love. Good morning.
And I was wondering why you didn't come to my room to check on me this morning. You know, I was hoping to see you. At least I could have helped you out in the kitchen also.
Okay, my husband told me this morning he wanted to eat porridge yam, so I had to rush to the market and get foodstuffs prepared for him. I'm sorry.
That still doesn't stop me from helping you out in the kitchen.
Alright, you will. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't look at me like that.
How?
I was going to get it from the fridge.
You can't let it.
Yeah, madam. My father is not around. He went to the market.
Meaning what? What's that supposed to mean? Your father is not around. See, please, you better tell your father to give me the money he's owing my mother. If not... Anyway, if your mama talk now, they'll say she's insulting one old man.
Yeah? If I'm Ogi, see, let me warn you. If you ever insult my father in your life, I will so beat you that anywhere you see me, anywhere you hear my name,
hold it!
you run.
Hold it! Beat who? See, let me tell you, tell your father that I said that when next I come here, you should better have my money. Because you both will not like what I'll do to you. Nonsense. No, so I'll be father, I'll be son.
No, go there.
Where am I even going to?
You. Double. Nobody. Check it later. Oh yeah. I'm
Don't worry now.
Okay. What's your face like that?
Mama, is it not that Ojuku man? Since that day he has refused to give me the money. He's saying he did not see me that day at the market, so he had to use the money.
What did I hear you say? Hey, Mama, are you telling me that since that day you have not collected my money from Ojuku? Hey, Mama, you have not collected my money from... Gent, I told you, did I not? You see, Mona, you will go by 2 and you are standing here telling me this nonsense. Better go and collect my money. I told one nonsense, so. Ifoma, happy Makabiko shift. If I'm trying with your nonsense, get out shift. Oh,
I'm sorry. So again, I forget to collect my money. Also, I'm sorry. Go collect my money for him.
Sweetheart, honestly, I don't know what your mom is doing in the kitchen. You know what? Let's go in there and find out what she's doing in the kitchen. Let's go.
Dishing it. Yes.
The food is ready. You're done cooking. And you know I've been waiting for that food. Huh?
I'm sorry. I just said I'm sorry now. Please don't make a fuss out of it.
Food is ready.
He is not happy. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Do you want me to help you first? No, I can do this myself. Food is ready. What's your dad?
He picked up his car key and left.
He picked up his key and left. Okay, go and eat. Hmm? He picked up his key and left. He must be really mad at me.
You now see the reason you need to send that girl out of your home. Yes. You need to send Chinelo out of your house so that you have peace of mind. To save yourself from all this drama.
No, Peter, wait. Are you listening to yourself? What kind of wicked advice is that? I mean, why do you so much hate this girl even when you've not met her?
Why will I hate Chinelo for Christ's sake?
I'm just asking you.
No, I should be asking you. What are you trying to say, Messenger?
What I'm saying is that this girl might not be as bad as it seems. I mean, this whole thing could be a thing of oversight. Oh yes, probably something, Kelvin has not really taken time to look into. And trust me, it's just something minor, something very little.
Andrew.
Yes.
You know the problem? I don't blame you. I don't blame you because you're not in my shoes. If you were in my position, and you that I know, if you were in my position, if you saw what happened, you will bring the two of them and beat the daylight out of them. Can you imagine that I called my wife? Do you understand? I called my wife. I told my wife, I said, I want pepper soup and boiled yam, like very hot pepper soup with boiled yam. Okay, yeah, darling, okay. And my wife went into the kitchen. Hours later, after about 2 hours, I was wondering, why haven't they served the food? I walked into the kitchen. I went into that kitchen and I saw that lady, that same lady, inside the kitchen with my wife. And my wife had the guts, looked me in the eyes and told me that she's done preparing the food. But she forgot! Imagine. No, just look at it. That she forgot to serve me the food. And you're telling me that there's nothing wrong with it? That it might be something tiny? What are you saying? It might be an oversight. What oversight? What oversight are you saying, Andrew? Well, I don't blame you because you're not married. And see, be very careful.
See, I'm not justifying what she did. Yes, she needs to be reprimanded. At the same time, you have to take the caution. You need to know what's going on.
Andrew, did I hear you say that? Her husband is hungry. Instead of her to serve her husband food, you heard Kevin saying that she forgot that he demanded. Andrew, sometimes I wonder if you are a man or a woman. No, he thinks from the both side of his head.
You know, he's confused. That's the problem. No, you are. You're totally confused.
Go wrong.
No, I'm not wrong.
I will not accept.
You don't accept what?
We know that our friend likes food.
Fine. Yes, I guess.
So when it comes to food, he can do anything.
Yes, I agree.
Did she cook the food? Yes.
She's not the food. That is to say that she has cooked the food. No. The best part of it that she said, I forgot. She forgot. For crying out loud. That thing was in the kitchen with her.
At that point in time, did you boil or did ask her, why did
so it's okay. It's all right. No, I'm married. I'm married. No, it is because of where I help you to help you married. You're not helping me. How do it is because people like you that are having problems. You are not prepared to marry. No, you say what? You. You're not prepared. Because if you understand what I'm saying, you will know what I'm saying.
Hello, India.
Where's your mom?
Thank you.
Oh, where's your mom?
Uncle, welcome.
Thank you.
She's inside.
Okay.
Daddy, why is it that mommy is no longer playing with me? She always plays with her friend.
Alright, don't worry. I'm going to talk to your mommy. And then she'll start playing with you. Alright? Okay. I'll go upstairs. Yeah. Andrew. Welcome. Peter.
My one. That's good of Papa was anything. That food where we talk outside.
That one. My Eve sister.
Who was that?
My husband.
Your husband?
What the hell did I see you doing with that lady in that room? What were you guys doing?
I don't understand. What did you see us do?
You don't understand. Are you guys dating? Or should I say, are you guys into each other?
Jesus Christ. Calvin! How could you even you think of such? Since we got married, have I ever shown you signs of lesbianism?
I don't even know what to believe anymore. Since you brought that woman into this house, I truly don't know what to believe anymore. Because you spend more time with that lady more than you spend with me, your husband.
Calvin, how could you think of such of me? How could you? Have I ever been unfaithful to you? Have I? I don't blame you.
Grace. Grace! Grace!
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day. You must be Chinelo, right?
Yes, but do I know you?
Well, not really, but I've heard a lot about you from Calvin.
Oh. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You know, ever since that lady came into this house, into my house, over a month now, my wife has been paying too much attention on that woman. More than me, her husband. She pays more attention to that her friend. And you can imagine, do you know I caught them. You need to see what I caught them doing today.
Okay. This is so difficult to accept.
Andrew, I know I don't have any clear evidence, okay? But trust me, both of them, I mean, there's something going on between them, two of them.
Is that the reason she's like that?
Well, she can suck for all I care. Whatever she wants to do, she can do. That's her business. But do you know my own wife? I left this house, she did not call me. She did not even bother that I did not eat the food she prepared for me. She should not bother. She doesn't care. Very bad, you can imagine.
But that girl is so beautiful. Why is she not married?
Huh?
Andrew, are you okay? Is that so beautiful?
No, Andrew, I am telling you about my family problem. You're talking about that girl is so beautiful.
I'll be with you guys in a jiffy.
I need to make call. No, I don't understand.
How could it think such of me?
What happened? Listen, I know everything happening here is my fault. I think it's better I leave now than cause more damage to your marriage.
No, you're not causing any damage to my marriage. Don't say that, please. It's just that Calvin refuses to understand.
Try to make him understand. He is your husband, your better half. I mean, if there's anyone that can make him understand, that person is you.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
I know you're trying. It's okay.
But come to think of it, that girl is very beautiful. Why is she not married?
Which of them? Chinelo? I don't know. But come to think of it, my guy, most of them don't value me. They concentrate on Iluaka.
So you're trying to say you believe what Kelvin has been saying?
Yes, I do, Andrew. As a matter of fact, I'm a living witness. I saw both of them. I saw them in a compromising way. I saw Chinelo and Grace cuddling each other. They almost kissed.
That's the point.
No. I sensed they saw me coming.
Yes, that's the point. Almost kissed. Almost. They didn't kiss. You see, yeah, because you cannot just say because it's so two people close to themselves, like they're hugging or something, and then you draw conclusions. No, come on. Assumption is advice, you know.
Andrew, I am beginning to wonder if you are really our friend.
If I can.
Must I see her? No, in a situation I saw these two people, honestly speaking, Hana Alwaka. Guy, hold on. Are you, I don't understand you and this Chinelo of a girl. First, you asked if she's married. No.
Yes.
Okay, the other day you saw that girl. You even got star 1000.
You see, I love women.
Have you ever given me one?
That's it. How would I give you money? Have you ever given me chicken before? I always see you eat chicken. You name chicken.
Honey, I'm sorry about what happened earlier today. I'm sorry to have walked out on you. It's wrong. But please, I need you to understand that there's nothing going on between Chinelo and I aside being just friends.
I don't think I'm asking for too much. I just want my wife back. I'm asking for too much.
Honey, but I'm here. I've always been here. That wife you cherish so much, nothing has changed.
This is not the woman I got married to. I just want my wife back. Bring my wife back. I'll wait a moment.
I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything. This wouldn't have happened without you. I'm really grateful. And speaking of today, I was bored because you were not here.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my love. I'm sorry, don't worry. I'm here now. I'll always be here. No Koswala.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm hungry. Have you eaten?
No. Yes, I didn't eat because you were not here.
Alright, my love. I'm so sorry.
Okay, okay. Don't call me your... The food.
Yes, yes, the food. Shall we? I'm sorry. I didn't know you were back.
How would you know if I'm back or not? When you now have a new playmate, how will you know? When you have decided to isolate yourself from both your husband and your own child, making your child feel like a stranger in her own father's house just because of this stranger. This stranger that I don't know where you brought her from. I just pray someday you don't live to regret this nonsense you're doing.
What is he talking about?
Grace. I think your husband wants me to leave.
No, you won't leave. Have you heard me? You can't leave. You're going to remain in this house until you get back on your feet and you're able to find something reasonable to do with your lives.
Grace, look around you. Everything is falling apart. If care is not taken, your marriage might be shattered. And heaven bear me witness, I will not forgive myself if anything happens.
Nothing is going to happen. Stop bothering yourself with things that doesn't concern you. Everything is fine. Please. Everything is fine.
If you go back to school now, I won't be seeing you often again.
You worry over nothing. You know I love you so much and nothing can separate us. And you can come visit me in school.
I know that. This is your second semester exam. When is it starting?
Oh, on the 13th of next month.
Okay.
Why?
Well, just trying to know when I can come.
I'm expecting you.
Oh my God, I can't wait. So first of all, you be reading your book, so make sure you pass the exams first before I come. Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful. Yeah. My love, thanks for making my day as beautiful as you are.
Thank you. Thank you for being part of my life.
How I wish it won't take long to see you again.
I know. But you know Mama Mawala. Don't understand. She's always trying to protect me from what I don't know.
Remember, she's your mother. And whatever she's doing is just for your own good. She's only being a mother. Yeah? She loves you. Okay?
My darling, I am 21. I am not a baby. Besides, I can take care of myself.
My love, nobody's arguing that with you. I know. You see, no matter what, you are still a little child to her. You are still her last baby. Don't you understand? And that's why she treats you that way.
I hear. Anyways, I must go. You know if she passes by and sees us together, you know what will happen.
I know. Yeah. I'm going to miss you so much.
Me too.
I feel like crying. Oh.
Babe.
Let me see you.
Thank you.
Fine.
I love you.
I love you. Let's go.
I know he was upset when he left the house, but it's unlike him not to take my calls.
I think you should try to reach his friend. You can never tell. They might be somewhere having a drink.
I've been calling him. He's equally not picking up too.
Okay, just keep trying. He might speak. Grace, just try.
Let me check up on him now.
You're welcome.
Don't you dare come close. You think I don't know what you're doing? You think I don't know what you're doing with my wife? You think I don't know you're smashing my wife? You think I don't know? You think I don't know that you're using these fingers playing keyboard on my wife, right? Scattering everywhere. If you come close, I will help my wife. You, just don't you dare. Don't stop thinking about it.
because Chinelo mother if I'm
Jesus Christ.
Because Chinelo mother if I'm who is to blame? Am I to blame myself? Who is to blame? Am I to blame myself? Money is not my problem. Money is not my I try to be a good boy. I try to be a good man, yeah. 'Cause my papa loved me so much. Oh my God, I have many issues.
Okay. I think we have tried enough for your friend. Ever since she came into this house, things have never been the way it used to be. So I think it is time for her to leave. She has to go. And she has to go today.
I'm sorry, that is not going to happen. Not now. She can't leave.
Please. You see, there's some madness. There's always a madness in love. But at the same time, there's a reason for that madness. If your friend don't leave this house today, if you don't ask her to leave this house today, then I will have to do it myself.
Good day, Mr. Andrew.
Yeah, good day, Chanel. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Kelvin and the wife are not home.
I know. I am not here for them.
Oh.
I'm here for you.
Huh?
Of course. You see, Chanel, right from the first day I set my eyes on you, I fell for you.
Kelvin thinks I'm joking. If he sends Chinelo out of the house, then I'm living with her and I'll take my child Ella along.
Grace, are you not taking this whole thing too far?
Nothing is going to be enough for what Chinelo has done for me. She gave her all.
I know. But if you ask me, I would say you are going over the edge. I hope you have Ella in mind when you are making most of these your decisions. Because it would be a shame to deprive Ella the chance of growing with her father because of Chinelo. Then I ask, is it worth it?
Well, until Chinelo gets back on her feet, she goes nowhere.
Let me go. Huh?
Okay.
Take care, my darling. See you later.
Okay.
Everything I have said here today, I mean every bit of it. Chinelo, you are too beautiful to be subject of this kind of life. You deserve to be happy, and that I can offer you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But I want to ask a question.
Okay.
Do I look that pitiful that you're offering to date me so I could use it as an escape from my misery? You don't need to say anything. I'm just going to make this clear, Andrew. I will not date you. I would rather keep my pride. Have a nice day. You can use the door when you're done thinking. Grace. Grace, listen, you need to calm down. Really. You don't have to take it out on him. Something tells me he won't do it. In fact, trust me on this one, he won't do it again.
Is this stupid? What's wrong with him? No, seriously, I have to confront him. Does he think you're one of those cheap whores that he flirts around with? I need to tell him my mind, so that will not repeat itself again.
Oh, okay, it's fine. You will. My goodness. Do you know what's funny? Your face even looks worse than the person who was insulted. Okay, I'm sorry. But truthfully, you need to calm down. Look at you. You don't look good when you're angry. Okay? You know, your eyes just keep bulging out like something is happening. Okay, but truthfully, you needed to hear what happened to me. Calm down, okay? Just put a smile on that little face.
Leave me alone.
Oh, now you're smiling. Now leave me alone. I'm not gonna leave you alone. Okay, at least you're smiling, but truthfully, I need you to calm down. Everything is fine. And give me that sexy smile.
No wonder, Andrew. I saw the way you were looking at her that day. My friend Andrew, I've always known you had your eyes on that girl. So tell me, what was her response?
See, I spoke to her, right, but unfortunately she misunderstood the whole thing. I mean, she felt I was trying to take advantage of her situation. It's not true. But the good thing is that I told her my mind.
It's right you did, but I'm sorry, my brother. She's not gonna return the love. She will never return the feelings. Because she doesn't follow me.
See, I don't know why I'm this convinced. Like, I have this strong feeling that she's not into women. Yeah.
Andrew, not again. I'm not set for this discussion. Let's change the topic. Alpha, you see my Judith?
As Judith's bodyguard. No.
I know your problem. Don't tell me you're jealous. I said, oh, no work. My own will work.
I'm gonna come down.
Can you not drink now?
But I told you initially I'm not in the mood to drink.
Because of Chinelo?
No. Because...
Kelvin, good day.
Yeah. Necessity is blind until it becomes conscious. Freedom is the consciousness of necessity. You see, no matter how a man tries to be very careful while urinating, the last drop of his urine
must jump in between the stars. You see, we have tried so much for you. Myself, my wife, and my family. We have tried for you. And it is time for you to leave this house. Yes, ever since you came into this house, things have never been the same. It has never been the way it used to be.
Calvin, what is it? What is wrong with you? Why are you being selfish in everything? No!
Grace, please. You don't have to speak to your husband in that manner.
Chinelo, please. Stay out of this. There's nothing I'm going to do for you that would make up for what you did for me years ago. If you want her out of the house, then I will leave too.
Grace.
Is that what you said?
If she leaves, I leave.
To do that.
He's just being unreasonable.
But you went too far.
Nello, please, please, relax. Sit down.
Telling me that if Chinelo leaves the house, that she's going to live with her. Can you imagine that?
This is different. Okay then, have you taken time to find out the reason behind her actions?
Well, there's no reason. Trust me, there's no reason. See, there's nothing you or my wife will try to conjure to make me believe that they are not practicing gazing. I'm telling you, that's what they're practicing.
That's extreme. Come on. You're just making speculations. As a matter of fact, yeah, because you don't have substantial facts to back up what you're saying. Did you catch the red hand there?
I am convinced that's what they're doing.
Let's go for this. Well, I think we need to go talk to her. Or rather, I need to talk to her. Let me know what's going on. Maybe she could say this with
me. Jenny, a shrub might end up becoming a tree if it is not cut off. Your friend and Kevin marriage has always been my reference point when it has to do with marriage. But reverse is the case now, which is not supposed to be so.
I don't understand.
Are you happy the way things is going in this house? I will advise you, Chinelo, you pack your things and leave the house.
If I was happy, I would have left a long time ago. But I decided not to leave. Because I know leaving will make Grace leave as well. That is the only reason I am here.
Why do you think such a thing happened?
Because she felt
That's a liar. Chinelo, you are a liar. I have warned you to leave my house. Chinelo, I am telling you, leave my house. If you don't leave my house, your dead body will leave this house. I am warning you for the last time. I am warning you. Leave my house. Leave my house and leave my wife alone. My dear Chinelo, you should pack your things and leave this house. Kevin, my friend, does not make empty threats. Excuse me. Chinelo, what Peter said is true. You have to pack your things and leave and save our friend's marriage. If you don't have a place to stay, you can come stay with me. Yes. About everything I said to you, I mean every word of it. I am not coming to you because of your helpless situation. It's because of what I feel for you. My card, in case you change your mind.
Don't worry, my love. Tomorrow I'll take you to the salon so you can get your hair done, okay?
Oh, thank you so much, dear.
You deserve the best.
Thank you, love.
Grace, by the time you see this, I will be long gone. Stop worrying about me. I will be fine. I release you from everything you may feel that you owe me. Truthfully, you have fulfilled them all. Right now, all I want from you is to be happy and build your home.
The next time I come around, I want to hear the sound of a baby laughing in your home. Once again, thank you for everything. I love you and we will meet again. But this time, on a good foot.
I'm not going to hurt you. I just want my wife back. I want you to leave my house and leave my wife alone. Take it and go back to the village or wherever you want to go to. I don't want to see you in this house anymore. And this is a kindness I will ever do for you again. And I want you to know that this is not a threat. If you don't leave, then I will have to force you. And you must leave my house, dead or alive. You said she was crying before you left the house.
Yeah, she was crying seriously. She was totally heartbroken. But I know she will come around. Very soon. Trust me, she will.
So why don't you just take her out on a date? I mean, that's your routine before this girl came into your house. So you can still take her somewhere.
Yeah, exactly what I'm planning to do. Yeah, this weekend I am planning to take her to a beautiful time. Just for sightseeing, you know. She will be fine.
Oh, that's good. That's what, perfect.
Can I get
excuse me, I need to this coffee.
Before you pick the call, one of those was quite unusual. Nice Grace, where is he?
What did you say made you come back by this time? Ella here, she'll be in school. Because I'm sure they are yet to close for the term.
Yes, Mama, I know. But I need Kelvin to understand that I have rights, just as he does.
Oh, there's an issue between you and Kelvin. Tell me, what happened?
Andrew, you see, she finally carried out the threat. Yes, she did. She said if Chinelu leaves this house, she's going to leave. And now she has gone. All her clothes, she has packed everything, she has left my house. Are you serious? I'm telling you. Why is she like this? I mean, what is this debt she talks about that she wants to end up her marriage because of it? I don't believe anything about that debt. I mean, what sort of debt is that? Huh? Or maybe they took an oath. Maybe they took an oath to always be together forever. You think so?
So, Mama, that is the problem. He never listens to me whenever I try to explain to him why I go extra length for Chinelu.
Grace, you shouldn't have left the house the way you did. It's wrong, no matter what. Kelvin is your husband, and both of you vow to be together forever.
Mama, if you see Chinelu, you will understand that she needs help.
I'm still wondering, for how long does she want us to keep that girl she picked up from I don't know where? For how long? Well, Kelvin, you don't have to talk like that. You see, they really know each other. What you're talking about now is how to reach your wife. See, you don't have to talk like that. See, these people really know each other. Okay? What you should be talking about now is how to reach your wife. When do you think she may have gone to? Well, if she's not in her mother's house in the village, probably she should. Chinelu dropped her address with her. Maybe she has gone there to meet her. Good. Why don't you call the mother to know if she's with her? It's been long I called her old woman. Start calling her and telling her something about her daughter, something I don't understand. Call first. Let's get to know. No, I'm telling you. That's what's important here. Can someone behave like a baby or that?
Your husband. Hello? My son-in-law, Ezibogom. Enna, how are you? Yes, they are here. Please calm down. Oh, Ogom, calm down. Wait, oh. Why not you come down to the village so we can discuss this? Onna, Biko. Oh, okay.
Nsogbu adịghị. Echi dị mma. Tomorrow is fine. Oh, no. Take care of yourself, oh?
Mama, what did he say? Is he coming tomorrow?
Yes, he's coming tomorrow. So we can iron things out. Grace and Ella and Grace can go back to their house. I don't like this kind of visit. Probably not Christmas, more Easter. Hey, I didn't want. One. Calm down, oh, calm down. Oh, Rachel.
That's exactly what I have to do. Go meet her, right? Listen to her and know what she has to say.
And that means you have to come with me to the village.
Is that necessary?
Andrew, I want you to come with me.
Okay, that's fine. I will, but right now I need to run because I have an appointment to catch up with. Very important.
Let's go. I'll take you to where you're going for the appointment, okay? Before we make any move. But you need to go and pick up your car from that mechanic. That car don't pay for that place.
You know, they're done, as a matter of fact. It's time.
Time.
I'm so chosen.
So,
let's go.
We'll see.
That was how she left. Someone who went through so much to help me. She gave her everything for me, yet I didn't see her again. The next time I saw her or saw anything about her, it was on social media where she became an object of ridicule.
Yes, I never knew. I never knew at all. I'm sorry.
That's the point. From that day, I vowed that I was going to take care of her. I was going to show her love, concern for what she did for me. I brought her to the house. You didn't even let me say anything. Each time I tried to explain to you, you simply waved it aside. I tried so hard to bring it up, to explain to you, but you didn't give me the chance. All you were concerned about was she leaving the house.
That is why communication is very, very important in every relationship. It's true.
In fact, I'm not going back to the city. I will not go back to the city except she's found.
Sister Grace, please forgive him.
I promise you will look for her.
Yes. Please.
Yeah, Grace, we're going to work this out.
Accept that.
Yeah.
My daughter, please. Please, listen to your husband. Oh?
Please listen to me. Please.
Oh, no.
Please.
I'll look for her. Myself and Andrew.
Yeah, definitely.
What's your number? I don't want to give you money. Hey.
Honestly, if you pay attention to your studies the way you pay attention to your looks, you'll be a first-class graduate.
Well, girl, let me tell you, looking beautiful is the real deal. So I think it's essential. Just let me be and enjoy my pretty little self.
I know it's essential, but babe, yours is too much.
See, I am very vain with myself.
I see.
I love myself. And you know,
Hello, ladies.
oh, hi, James. Want to get a high five? Oh, that's my bag.
Wow. Sorry.
Okay, so you know what? I'm just going to take my beautiful self and leave you to the next.
Alright, let's go with your
No, that's not fine.
So, tell me. You're looking pretty.
Oh,
I see.
how are you?
I'm good. I don't even need to ask if you're good, girl. I'm sorry.
My dear, when I went to the boutique, he just kept insisting. Pick more, pick more. Even when I said stop, he said I should keep picking. Right?
You know your stop is I don't want to stop. Like you didn't like it. But you know, truth be told, that guy truly loves you. I mean, he never ceases to amaze you with beautiful and beautiful gifts.
You see? Love. Oh, please, all men are the same. Once he gets what he's looking for, he will just disappear into thin air.
Grace, then give it to him. Obviously, this guy has done enough to deserve it. Yes.
You surprise me when you talk sometimes. Give what exactly to me?
Grace, enough of the pretense. You're no longer infringing. I mean, this guy has shown you so much love, more than the guys you have dated in the past. Yes, give it to him.
I'm done having this discussion with you. I beg you to listen.
But I concur. I agree. Okay, so now. That one is fine, but she will like it's done like flower. She managed to take it.
Here comes the queen.
Okay, so enough. You were actually showing me something. Now I cannot keep my mouth quiet. I could not. Sure.
Let me see.
Okay. I was actually suggesting this. But she said, are you okay?
Sorry.
Sorry. Check out this one. You said this one too.
You like that one?
What is it?
Grace?
Baby?
Grace?
Wait.
Grace?
Can you sit?
Grace?
Just sit.
Sorry.
Grace, go in a bit. Get water.
Okay. Grace.
Hold it.
Okay.
Baby, just leave that. Can you bring it back? Fast, please.
She's still right now. I have a good news and also have a bad news. Well, I'll start with the bad news. Your friend has an acute renal failure, which has gotten so bad to the stage that it has resulted to kidney disease. And I'm sorry, if something's not done quickly, your friend might lose her life.
I'm sorry, Doctor, but what is the good news?
If you can find a donor, she and the donor will travel to India for a surgery. And I'm scared because it is expensive. I don't think she can afford it.
Doc, please. You're kind of complicating issues here. You just said you are not sure she can afford the bill. So what is so good about the news?
How much are we talking about?
About
18 million what?
18 million naira. And that is if she can get a donor. Which we all know is impossible. I mean, no one is ready to donate his or her kidney. No one can do that.
This is serious. James, but you can do it. After all, you've been professing love to her all this month. Yes.
Did you just say that?
Yes.
Did you just say that? No, wait. Anita, did I hear you clear? Did you say that? That I said I love her does not mean I am ready to die for her. For crying out loud, I'm not Jesus. I'm a mere human being like you. And listen, Anita, please, let that not come out from your mouth to me again. Unless if you want us to have serious issue.
You mean
James stopped coming to check on me and said all those things that I was going to die.
Grace, listen to me. It's only when one has problems, he or she finds out those who really care for him or her. You'll be fine.
I really pray to death.
Shh. Grace, how can you say a thing like that? Why would you talk about death? I spoke to your mother already. She said I should bring you to the village.
It's okay. That's the best thing for me now.
I think so too. I've settled the bills so we can leave for the village tomorrow. You don't have to thank me.
Please come. What happened? Don't worry, let's just take her inside first. Mama! Mama! Mama, please come!
At this time, Grace was in her 300 level at the university when she became seriously ill. The doctor said that she has acute renal failure, which is the last case of kidney disease. The only hope is for her to be flown to India for kidney transplant, and we also need to find a donor. At that time, we all have resigned our faith that Grace was going to die. You have seen where we live. Where on earth do you think that we are going to get the money for the treatment? Not to talk of getting a donor. Everyone thought that she was going to die. Then miracle happened.
I'll save her. I'll save Grace, Mama. I won't let her die.
How? How, Chinelu? You know the amount the doctor said that is needed for the surgery. After you have found a donor. How? No. I beg a man with 80 million.
I'll pay the 80 million naira. My mother died of the same illness. And my father, although he had the money, he refused to spend the money on her. He watched her die. And now my father is gone, leaving everything he had to me. I won't let another person I care for so much die of that same illness.
Oh my God.
Please don't cry. I will pay the money.
And I'll also donate one of my kidneys to her. Hey! Chinelo! What did you say? Hey, Chinelo, what did you just say? Chinelo, how much did I get Namu? ọmọ dákì sí wọn náà bó tọmọ ọmọ ẹ̀yẹ òun náà lè mẹ́kọ̀ mú wọ́n nílé ìwé rọ̀dí ọjọ́ kì í sí ní bó tọmọ ṣogbó ṣùgbọ́n ó ṣe ló ṣe pamọ́.
Yes, I will. Welcome. Thank you. Sister Desi, what are you eating? That is Mama, thank you. Thank you. Sister Desi, calm down, she's just coming. You did a lot of things.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Sister Grace, I wanted to ask you this. Why didn't you people come back with Chinelo's car? Why did you have to use a keke?
I don't know. I asked her the same question, but she waved it aside. I was even planning to ask her today again. Talking about Chinelo, it's very unusual of her to still be sleeping at this time.
Really? Chris, people should allow her to rest. Let her rest. Eh? Nobody should disturb her.
Yeah, Mama, she won't rest. In fact, I'm going to wake her up now.
Oh, my child, nobody should disturb that girl. Leave them alone. No. Give me that thing. Let me test. Which one? This one. Yemunka. This one. Mama, yeah, take your time. Mama. Wow. Why is the face like that? For me, yes, to be better. For me, to make you look fresh. Mama, I think I Grace. Mama, Grace, what is it? Grace, you are the sister that I never had. And that is why I sacrificed all that I had to save you. Please be happy. Live happy. The happier you are, the more you reward me of my sacrifice.
For days, Grace refused to be comforted. She cried and cried. Even Anita, her childhood friend, tried to calm her down. But It's all to no avail.
Good afternoon. I beg, who are they find?
Your madam, where they stay here.
My madam? Which madam now? You go get name?
Chinelo.
Ah, that one is my former madam now. You know there again, you know there. That one not come out. Now this madam wey dey here now, I can't carry money give her. Don't here now. No be am dey here again. Don't come out. Don't carry money give her.
So I cannot see Chinelo.
You can see her. You say get wetin dey important. You go meet her.
Chris, how can you see Chinelo when he said that Chinelo is his former madam? Means she's no longer staying here. I hope that is what you mean.
You go back. You understand me pass. He don't come out, he don't go. He say something there I'm important. He say he won't go do for Obodoyibo. Remember that place where lights the day every day. They know they take lights.
I know. Yeah. So Oga, it's okay. I beg, where can we see her? Please.
The time when they come out, if you talk say if they go Australia, yes. Say she go come fly. Australia.
Wait, Oga, you mean Australia?
You go far. Ria is there because I had her say Ria. Either Australia.
It's okay, thank you. Grace, you have to go. You're not going. You have to go. She's no longer here. Let's go, you go.
What's happened?
Let's go. Grace. Go.
What's happened now? When they fight, go. You don't listen to fight. What's happened? Man, I no fight, oh. Now like this, I will take you to Australia.
To be found. Grace, I will advise you to move on with your life. Do not make a Chinelo sacrifice to save your life be in vain, because she will not be happy with you. As for me, I am done searching. If you want to go to the end of the world to fight Chinelo, it's up to you. I have a life to live and I plan enjoying it. Excuse me.
Please come from my head. I want somebody.
Are you saying she has checked out of this hotel?
Yes, sir. She left this morning.
How could she have gone?
Excuse me.
Okay, thank you. Stay here myself, right? I'm surprised why we should leave. But not to worry, calm down, okay? We're going to find her. No, just...
Why are you looking like this? I'm sorry I left that way. Sorry.
Don't ever try to run away again.
I won't.
Chinelo, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
I should be the one apologizing. I'm sorry for everything. Yes, all the pain I caused you. I'm truly sorry.
It's okay. Alright, let's go home. Okay?
No, there's something I must express. Please, will you marry me?
I need help. Somebody please come for my hand. I want somebody that will love me the way don't leave me to suffer. This sickness is too much for me. This pain is too much for me. Someone please come for my hand. Oh God, my God, please come. By His grace, it shall be well. By the grace of Almighty God. Because Chinelo Lumano, if I'm Alaba, you get back a little wema, Nenoa. Because Chinelo Lumano, if I'm Alaba, you get back a little wema, Nenoa. Because when I little wema, Alaba.